What's up, my love bugs? It's your girl Brie, and today I'm coming back with another colorful and crazy look. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Alright, so we're about to get this shit popping. Okay, so I got a very clean canvas of an eye. I went in with the LOUISE ROMOUR 2. And I just made sure that I blended that out evenly. A clean canvas is where it all starts. So I am using the Morphe M321 brush. It's a very small brush, good for details. So I used the ZULU palette by JUVIAS Place. I went in with that purple. I went ahead and just pressed that into the eye. You're not supposed to be swiping, but I did a few times, so whatever. Sometimes you just get used to it and you just do what you do. But anyways, yeah. So now I have that complete. I'm going to go in with the same little brush. I just cleaned it off basically. And I'm using the pink from, what palette is that? Oh, the Festival JUVIAS Place palette. So that is like the only pink in that palette. So I'm going right over that, tight lining it and pushing that in. Alright, so here I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. I think I'm using a Morphe brush. Yeah, I think all these brushes were Morphe. It's the M505 brush. It's really just a good brush for blending. So I just keep dipping in that pink and blending them out, and just keep doing this until you're satisfied. Like, I know it can be tiring just blending, but trust me, it is worth it. All right, so that eye is fully blended, well, almost. And you can see the difference from the other eye, which is like, you can really see the difference. Hey, what am I listening to? I don't know. So it's okay to pick up more pink. It's okay to pick up more purple. Just keep going until you feel satisfied. Honestly, like, it is what it is, you know? Okay, girl, yes, we are blended. Yes, look at that blend. Okay, so I got a little black. I think I went in with the black from the James Charles Morphe palette, or any black will do, honestly. And I just have another blending brush from Morphe, but it doesn't have a number on it because it came in just a brush set. But I mean, any blending brush will do, you know. Okay, girl, what is you doing? I'm tripping. What? Girl, I've been on this Coke Zero kick though, I ain't gonna lie. But anyways, okay, so I am going in with the number 7. It's an eye makeup remover, and I'm just using a Q-tip, and basically I'm like kind of sketching out my cut crease, but I'm removing the eyeshadow, the color. So when I lay down the cut crease canvas that I'm using, you won't have that tint of purple behind it, if that makes sense. So it's more of a clean canvas for your cut crease. So yeah, that's what I'm using, the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas in the Cup Tone Create. Now it's so crazy because I never use the the wands that come with these little things. It's just like, ew. But it's really legit a nice little shabam bam. You feel me? Like, it's really sharp. Like, it's precise. So I mean, hey, why not? As long as you like wipe off the excess product, you'll be fine. But yeah, if I could find a brush like this to cut my crease, I'll be good. And just take your time. You don't have to rush. Just take your time. Take your time. And the more you do it, I mean, the easier it's gonna be. It's just gonna be like, you know, routine. Like, okay, let me cut this crease, boom, boom, bam. and it is what it is. Okay. Y'all, I be tripping. I cannot believe I'm doing a voiceover. I hate voiceovers, but it is what it is. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, so I went in with that little brush, a little just a blending brush with some more black on it. I'm diffusing the ends, blending, making sure that concealer is not just like a sharp stop, because that's just ugly, and we don't want that. So yeah, how you like it, girl? How you like it? Cute? What am I thinking about, girl? I don't know. But anyway, so I moved I moved on. What am I using? I think that's a M124 brush. Yeah, it's from Morphe. And the turquoise is from the ZULU palette also. So as you can see, I just press that in. I'm not really swiping. Swiper, no swiper on this part for sure. You just press it in, press, and that way your pigment shows up and your pigment shows out, honey. Okay. I said no swiping, girl. Press. Press it out. Okay, and just a little tip for makeup. Like, whenever you're doing whatever you're doing, keep going until it looks how you want it to look. Like, if you lay down your edge or your cut crease and you're like, I don't really like, fix it. Just keep going until you are satisfied with the way it looks. Blending, especially blending, just keep blending until you are satisfied in your little heart. Okay. So I'm just pulling that black in, diffusing it, bringing the colors together, blending it out so it's not a harsh line. It's all about blending. Blend till you can't blend no more. So the orange that I'm using came from the ZULU palette as well. I love these palettes. They are so pigmented and they are so affordable. $20 for a palette, like, that's good. So just keep pushing it in. Push it. Push it real good. Y'all, I be tripping. Push, stamp, swipe, push, stamp, swipe. Like I said, keep going till you satisfied, girl. Y'all, I'll be making some ugly faces. I'll be making some ugly faces when I'm doing my makeup. And I'm going in with a white. I went in with the white from the James Charles Morphe palette. The crazy part is, you remember that pink that I used in the beginning from the where did I get that pink from? The Festival and Juvia's Place palette. I didn't do it on camera, but I ended up going back in later, like right in the inner corner of my eye, adding a little pink there, just because I needed a little bit more of a pop. So yeah, hey, what you doing, girl? Oh, girl. Oh, yes. I love my NYX liner. I love it. So it's the matte liner by NYX, and it's my fave. I have about 10 of them. I love them. I will never use another liner ever in my life. Ever. Never. So I just have a little angle brush. I'm going ahead and cleaning up. I went ahead and I just cleaned up the outside of that liner and just made it sharp. I am going in with my Makeup Revolution foundation, the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the color F16. Boo boo. Now it's hot chick. She taught me that you want to go ahead with your first layer of foundation, and you go ahead and let that dry, and you go on with the second layer to get a more smooth and flawless finish. And I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation, scarring on my cheeks, and my neck and my chest, and my everything is just different colors. I mean, I'm not gonna ask God why would you do that to me, but hey, it is what it is. We all born a certain type of way. I'm not tripping. I make it work, and I'm still looking good. Oh yeah, girl, get that neck. Always bring it down. Bring it down, 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 down. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and highlight with the LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Girl, I'm basically hitting all them points, like right in the middle of my face. Shaboom, boom, boom, acting like it's ooh, how you like that? Hey. It's just a regular beauty blender. Make sure that your beauty blender is damp, ladies. It is the law. You do not want to be fined by the makeup police. All right, so I'm just blending that out. Yes, this is, you know, everybody knows this part. That's why I just sped through it. Push that into your skin. Push it in, push it in, push it in. It's so funny watching these videos, like doing the voiceover and watching it. It's like, it's really helping me like be better at my makeup, because you do your makeup and you don't really realize like what it looks like. Like normally I just push this in with a beauty blender, but today I just picked up a little brush and I'm just setting that with the SACHA Buttercup powder. It's the banana powder color. It's yellow tint. So you just basically push that into all the spots that you highlighted. Okay. All right, so I went in with my MAC Studio Fix in the color NW50, and I just go all over my face and I blend everything together, so it neutralizes the highlight over my cheeks. Everything is like a final layer over everything, if that makes sense. So everything blends together and everything, it just looks flawless, you know? Yeah. You like it? I knew you would. Okay. What is that? Oh, that's my contour, girl. For Black Radiance, I think it's medium to dark, or whatever they new one is. It's a little darker. Girl, I have no idea what kind of blush I used, but I'm just gonna smile on and act like we know. Any blush will work. I use the Morphe lip gloss. It's the FREEBIRD color, and then I'm going on with the Makeup Revolution highlighter. It is the Strobe Lights, and it's the color Gold Addict, and I love it with all my heart and soul. And yeah, it's pretty much my face. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out that highlight, girl. Make sure you go in circular motion so you don't have a harsh line. Wait, girl, you almost forgot your setting spray. Is that what you about to do? No. So I just went in with the color pencil, my waterline. Went in with my Better Than Sex mascara. Hit those bottom lashes. I think I threw my lashes on off camera, and yeah. Oh, this is when I added the little pink. Okay, I'm a little backwards, but whatever. And anytime you finish your makeup, it's okay to look at your face and be like, I could use a little bit more of this, I could use a little bit more of that. Or even if you need to darken your eyebrows, if you need to go over your wing. Yeah, so I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara, which is my fave. I love it immensely. I do. Okay, girl. Yes, you see the okay. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell so you can see when I upload. I love you guys.